ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ,
ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಐ.
Right now, I'm standing in front of
Sridevi Institute of Technology.
ಪ್ರತಿ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ನ ಸುದ್ದಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಹೇಳಿ. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ have it.
Hello viewers, welcome to Campus Eye, with a show that brings campus news from in and around Mangaluru. I'm your host Sabin Thomas. Let's take a look at the headlines.
The Post-Graduation Department of Chemistry of St. Aloysius College inaugurates Analyst 2015. St. Aloysius conducts self-defense training program for women. Dr. M. V. Shetty Trust Memorial Colleges celebrates Graduation and Institution Day. Gokarnatheshwara College conducts National Level PG Fest Srishti 2015. ICT Art and BA Animation student beautifies the public walls of Mangaluru.
10 UG colleges and 14 PG colleges participated in the National Level Intercollegiate Fest Analyst at St. Aloysius College. Let's have a look who took home the trophy.
With a theme, explore the plethora of possibilities. Students across India participated in the various competitions like Icebreaker, Seminar, Rangoli, Quiz, Photography, College, Treasure Hunt, Lab Event and Star of Analyst.
Analyst 2015 is a national level fest organized by the PG Department of Chemistry. It is an annual event and where it is special that we have two level competition. One at the UG level competition, another one is PG level competition. And this year especially we are having 10 teams at the UG level, 10 different colleges participating in the UG level and 14 PG teams are participating in the national level fest. And this is a very unique opportunity for our students to organize a fest of this caliber and then interact with the juniors. And it is also an event which helps the junior student, the undergraduate student, to know about the college, to know about the importance of chemistry and to participate for winning the prizes. Okay. And a number of events are organized very systematically by the students, mainly conducted by the students of chemistry. We have about 120 students and about 10 staff members who are coordinating this event. Inauguration took place in the morning and Professor Sherigar, Vice Chancellor of Kuvempu University, was the chief guest. Everything went on well. Number of competitions are being conducted in 3 or 4 venues simultaneously.
Students of St. Philomena's College, Puttur, grabbed the overall trophy and Kamel College, Goa, owned the runners-up. In PG section, SDM Ujre received the overall trophy and NITK Surathkal were happy to take away with them runners-up trophy. Overall, the event called upon the student to learn chemistry in a fun and enjoyable manner and achieve something big in life for the development of humankind.
I participated in the seminar and it's very good. The organization is very good in Aloysius College.
Women are considered the pillars of the society. To empower them from social evils, the student council members of St. Aloysius College organized a women's self-defense program. Let's take a look.
Precaution is better than cure is what necessary for the young generation to be safe. In this respect, the Student Council of St. Aloysius College organized a self-defense program on 12 February at St. Aloysius campus. The main intention of the event was to help the student to be aware of the self-defense techniques.
You think that his hair is very short? Fine, okay, fine. You have got your fist block me, right? I can't do anything. Okay, either you can hold your hand as a fist and give it to the sideways. This part. Then, there are pressure points in our body. One thing is, we have got pressure points. The eyes are your pressure point, nose, ear, solar plexus, then shin, and the most vulnerable point, which one is that? Correct.
The president of the student council, Ms. Lizaine Tanya de Sosa, shared her thoughts with the campus eye.
In today's world, we see that so many rapes are happening. Women are always constantly told to protect themselves. But when I thought about it as the president of the college, and I'm also I'm a part of the Karate Association from very long, so I felt being a part of that, I need to implement it in college. We need to raise our voice against such situations, be mentally prepared. That's what I feel. That's the reason we organize this, so that everyone can learn from it.
Thus, the event was called for the youth to be mentally prepared when the situation arises. One of the students of St. Aloysius College expressed her experience about the event with Campus Eye.
We learnt a lot from this session because in today's world we don't know when and at what time we will have to face danger. So we need to keep ourselves prepared for whatever the situation be, and not many of us are aware of how we can escape from such situations. Like, we know it but we are not able to implement it. But from the self-defense session that was just held, I think we all have gained a lot of knowledge, and hopefully we will try to use the techniques when we really need to, when we are in danger.
To enlighten the future is a dream shared by all, be it young or old. This was the theme of the recently conducted National Level Management PG Fest at Sri Gokarnadeshwara College.
ಶ್ರೀ ಗೋಕರ್ಣನಾಥ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಆಡಳಿತ ವಿಭಾಗವು ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ 2015 ಎಂಬ 2 ದಿನದ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಮಟ್ಟದ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆಯನ್ನು ಎನ್ಲೈಟನ್ ದ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಎಂಬ ಶೀರ್ಷಿಕೆಯಡಿ ಏರ್ಪಡಿಸಿತು. ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರೀಮಾ ಮಿತ್ತಲ್, ವಾಣಿಜ್ಯ ವಿಭಾಗದ ಸಹಾಯಕ ಪ್ರಾಧ್ಯಾಪಕರು, ಈ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆಯ ಹಿನ್ನೆಲೆಯನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಐ ಜೊತೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಹಂಚಿಕೊಂಡರು.
So again this time we have more creative things, and this time we are doing 5 events. They are in Potra, Finbiz, Corporate Avengers we have Market Tricks, and Business Quiz we have. We are doing this fest so that we can explore the talents of management students.
MPL ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಟ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಷನಿನ ಉಪಮಹಾಪ್ರಬಂಧಕರಾದ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಕುಮಾರನ್, ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಯಾದ ಎಸ್ ಜಯವಿಕ್ರಮ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಾದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಗಂಗಾಧರನ್ ಸಮಾರಂಭವನ್ನು ಉದ್ಘಾಟಿಸಿದರು. ದೇಶದ ವಿವಿಧ ಭಾಗಗಳಿಂದ 20ಕ್ಕೂ ಅಧಿಕ ಕಾಲೇಜುಗಳು ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದವು. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವು ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಟ್ ಅವೆಂಜರ್ಸ್, ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಟ್ರಿಕ್, ಫಿನ್ಬಸ್, ಬ್ರೇನ್ ಟ್ವಿಸ್ಟರ್, ಐಸ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಎಂಬ ಇತ್ಯಾದಿ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆಗಳನ್ನು ಒಳಗೊಂಡಿತು. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವು ಬಹುಮಾನ ವಿತರಣಾ ಸಮಾರಂಭದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಮುಕ್ತಾಯಗೊಂಡಿತು. ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಸ್ಡಿಎಂ ಉಜಿರೆ ಸ್ನಾತಕೋತ್ತರ ವಿಭಾಗವು ಸಮಗ್ರ ಬಹುಮಾನವನ್ನು ತಮ್ಮದಾಗಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿತು.
Molded by years of education, the students of Dr. M.V. Shetty Trust Colleges are finally ready to spread their wings and step into the competitive world. This enthusiasm and excitement was evident on the occasion of their graduation ceremony.
With new hope to serve the world, the students of Dr. M.V. Shetty Trust Colleges celebrated their graduation and Institution Day on 7th of February.
Right now I am standing where the graduation ceremony of Dr. M.V. Shetty Trust Colleges is taking place. Campus I brings you more details.
Function was presided over by the chief guest, Professor K. Bhairappa, Vice Chancellor of Mangalore University, Dr. M. Ramgopal Shetty, Founder Secretary of Dr. M.V. Shetty Colleges and principals under the trust. More than 400 students graduated from several institutions under this trust. Chief guest Professor K. Bhairappa and Dr. Ramgopal Shetty handed over the scrolls and mementos to the graduates and also shared their valuable thoughts. During the
Miss Oinam Nalini Devi.
During the ceremony, the principals of the colleges under the trust presented the annual report.
Who was the first place in the mark past? Mr. Navraj Chimilsra in men and Mrs.
The graduates pledged to pursue and create knowledge for well-being of the society.
I will hold aloft the honor of my alma mater at all times.
Joy of the students stepping into the new world was very evident throughout the ceremony. With camera person Divya, it's added joy for Campus I.
For years, the public vaults of Mangalore city have been a source of acute visual pollution. ISRI Art, in collaboration with St. Aloysius College, took up cleaning of these vaults and turned them into a beautiful canvas.
Inspired by Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, ISRI Arts took up a unique theme of Bhavya Bharat Abhiyan held on 7th of February at Lighthouse Hill Road, Mangaluru. The noble cause of cleaning the walls of the city was supported by BA Animation students of St. Aloysius College. One of the lecturers, Mr. Santosh of St. Aloysius College, shared his thoughts with Campus
an event called Bhavya Bharat Abhiyan on Saturday 7th and 8th February. So we planned to design and paint our central library walls as well as the Bhavya bus stop. So our animation student took initiative of designing these things, and now you can see it looks very beautiful. So
the students not only managed to clean the city but also made it vibrant and inspired others to follow it. Enthusiasm and excitement of the students was very evident.
This was a program conducted by, it was an initiative taken by St. Aloysius Animation students and the ICD art groups. It is called the Bhavya Bharat Abhiyan, where we painted the walls with colors and all that. It was really fun doing the work, as well as we felt we were really responsible to take the initiative. I think we expect much more initiatives to come along and much more people to join in to make the city much more cleaner.
That's all for this week. We'll see you next week. Same time, same day. I'm your host, Sabin Thomas, signing off.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.